Hey there, this is Sam from GHL SaasKits, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add sticky content into your GoHighLevel pages. Okay, so in this specific example, I added sticky content at the sidebar of this page. Okay, so here is the sticky content. Let me scroll this page a little bit. You can see when I scroll this page, it actually sticky this part of the content, okay, like the headline, image, call to action, and the money back guarantee. Okay, so this content is my sticky content in this example, but you can add this type of content anywhere in your page based on your requirement. But mostly I got lots of messages and requests from our users who actually wanted to make sticky content into the sidebar of their page. That is why I'm showing this into the sidebar. Okay, so I'm going to show you how you can apply this code snippet into your GoHighLevel pages. Okay, so let me show you. Here you can see I just already added a bunch of different content. Those are the dummy content though, but my purpose to make this video is how you can make the sticky content. Okay, that's why I just added some dummy content. Okay, so you can see here I just added some headline, okay, sub headline, images, and the button, and a uh, money back guarantee text and the icon. Okay, so I want to make this all this content as sticky. Okay, so what I need to do, first of all, I need to copy the CSS selector for all of this content. Okay, like for this subhead line, okay, just click on it and go to the advanced tab, and you will see the CSS selector. Okay, and the same way when you click on the image and go to the advanced tab, you will see the CSS selector. Okay, here is it. And again the same way, just click on the button, okay, and then scroll down a bit, you will see the CSS selector. This way, any element you add from your GoHighLevel page element, like your headline, subheadline, bullet points, or anything else, video, timer, whatever, okay, you will get the CSS selector exactly like this. Okay, you can see here. Then what you need to do, just copy the code snippet from our GHL code snippet library. One more thing I want to mention here, this is a part of our premium code snippet. So if you want to use this code snippet, then you need to upgrade your GHL SaasKits account to premium version. Okay, so let me show you. Just copy the code snippet from the library. Okay, then just paste it here. Okay, you can see the code is added already, and then just replace your CSS ID without the pound sign. Okay, let me show you first one. Okay, for this subhead line, let me show. When I click on it and go to the advanced tab, and I can see this is the CSS selector. Okay, so all I just need to click this small icon to copy this, and then go back to the code snippet, and then replace this CSS selector. Okay, like this, and then delete the pound sign. Okay, so without the pound sign it will work, but if you keep the pound sign, then it will not work. Okay, after that, by default, for the first element, the top 10 pixel gap is default. Okay, so you don't need to touch anything, but from the second and third, fourth, or any other amount of element you have into the page, you need to adjust the position. Okay, the gap from the top. Okay, so what I mean by this, let me show you. Let me make it a 5 pixel. Okay, though it has 85 pixel, but let me make it 5 pixel and then save it and then preview the page, so that you can understand how you can adjust your gap from the page. Okay, let me show you. I'm going to preview the page, and then if I go to the page, and then you can see here when I scroll up, this image is going overlap the headline. Okay, this headline. So that's the reason we just need to adjust the height. Okay, so let me inspect the element. Let me do this. Just click here, okay, this icon, and click the image, and then you will see the top 5 pixel. Okay, but if I make it 85 pixel, then it's perfectly matched with the design. You can see here now it's good. So this way you just need to put your gap, okay, from the first element. Okay, so the top is 10 pixel, this is default, and from the second, third, fourth, or any other amount of element you have into your sticky content, you need to put the top gap, okay, top margin, okay, you can say. Okay, so that's why we have top for all of the elements. Like for the image we have top 85 pixel by default. For the button, okay, we have 380 pixel, and for the image feature image, okay, we have 472 pixel. Okay, it's actually based on the content you added, so you need to adjust these, otherwise it will not looks good. Okay, so this is the first thing you need to do. First put all the CSS selector and then adjust the top position from your content. And then one more thing, let's say for this example I have 4 elements, okay, like a subject line, image, button, and a feature image. Okay, so if I want to add more content, then what I need to do, all I need to copy the last element and then put a comma, and after that paste the element, and then put the CSS selector like before and adjust the height. But in this example I have 4 elements, so I am going to delete the last one. And then this sticky content also working for the mobile device as well as your tablet version. Okay, so you know, the making the page responsive will actually help us a lot, okay, for different type of devices. So let me show you. If I visit the iPad mini, okay, let's say this is the iPad mini, and if I visit this, let me reload the page at first. Okay, if I visit this, you can see my content is sticky here. So I also need to adjust the height of this for the tablet version. Okay, and then if I go to this version, okay, let me make it 100%. Okay, so if I go to here, then you can see here it's perfectly showing the sticky content into the tablet version. And if I go to the mobile, let's say for iPhone 14 Pro Max, if I go to there, and then you can see there are no sticky content, it's just normally scrolling up. Okay, so for the mobile version it will works like this, but if you use the iPad or any other tablet device, then it will works with the sticky content, and at the same way it will works with the desktop version. Okay, so this is how it actually works. So let me save it. Okay, let me save it, and make sure that you change this top margin for the tablet device. Okay, so all you just need to adjust the top margin and then replace the CSS ID of your elements that you want to add on your sticky content. That's it. After that, once you're done, then save it. Okay, and then you can preview the page. If everything goes well, then you should have a good working sticky content into your page. Let me reload the page, and then I'm going to show you the demonstration of this. So I think it's not reloaded. Let me do it again. Okay, check. 85 pixel, 10 pixel, 300. Okay, that's totally fine. Yeah, so it should works. Let me save it. Okay, I think I did not save it. Okay, so let me save it first, and then I will visit the page. If everything goes well, then we should have working sticky content. Let me reload the page. I think there's something I am missing. Let me double check. The desktop version. Okay. Okay, so it's still getting 5 pixels. Let me double check if I edit the CSS selector for image properly. CSS selector for image, and then I'm going to put it back here. delete the pound sign, and make sure top is 85 pixel, which is good, and then 380 472. Okay, that's fine. Let me publish it again. Sometimes it's may the cookie issues or your browser issues. Okay, so let me double check. Okay, I think it will be working properly now. Yeah, this time it's working. Okay, so it was a problem with the cookie. Okay, but it's now good. Okay, so all you just need to replace the CSS ID and adjust the height of your element. Okay, after that you are good to go. It's perfectly work for mobile, tablet and desktop version. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, then feel free to subscribe our channel and don't forget to share with your friends. Thank you very much again. Have a nice day.